Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your Temu address. Okay, so first thing is you just have to log into your Temu account using their website or the Temu application. And then after that, you just have to customize your profile. Okay, so you just have to go here to your name at the tab and then tap on your profile. That's right. And then the next thing that you are going to do here is you just have to go to your addresses. That's right. And then the next one is to add a new address or to edit your existing address. So for example, we will add another address. So here you just have to type out your full name, select your country, and then add a new phone number, and then you have your region, province, city, and barangay. So you just have to select that, and then after that you just have to set as my default address if you want to set this one as default. And then after that you just have to save it, so whenever you ordered an item or a package from Timo, you are going to choose that address, or since we set that as a default, it will automatically be our existing address here on Timo. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.